Hey kiddos, today we're going to talk about mode and median when you're looking at a group of numbers. So here I have a line plot graph and I have x's above different numbers. So those are you need to know the numbers and you need to be really paying attention to the little x's. So when we talk about the mode of a number, we're talking about the number that is used the most often. So if I look at the 4, I've used it once, or one person has a 4. Nobody has a 5, 2 people have a 6, one person has a 7, nobody has 8, there's 3 people for 9, none for 10, and 2 for 11. So I'm going to look and find my mode. The mode is which number has the most x's. So I can see my 9 has 3 x's, that's the most. So my mode is 9. Now, median means the number in the middle. If you think about it, when you're driving in town and there's a median, that's the center part of a street that you can't drive on. So median is in the middle. So I look at my numbers. I don't look at the x's for this, and I'm going to see how many numbers I have. So I kind of do this, 11 and 4, 10 and 5, 9 and 6, oh, and 7 and 8. Oh, so then my median is right here. And I know from my fractions that halfway between 7 and 8 is 7 and 1/2. 7 1/2. If I didn't have the 11, here, let's change this up a little bit, and I had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and I went to do this, then my median would be different because I would cross off the pairs. So 4 and 10 go together, 5 and 9 go together, 6 and 8 go together, and then 7 would be my median. All right, go ahead and do the wingspan plot on the next page.